Erokamano Efinya Kidi wadhi nyime kama jatend piny William Ruto omedo dok ne okang' mare mar loso sirikal mar manywanda kotielo ni mano dhi riwo jo Kenya duto. Jatend piny mane otimo limbe mare Yimbo mar Kenya kaloso e kaunti ma Bungoma obedo ni obiro pogo lemo mag piny owacho ne jo Kenya duto. Kata kamano Ruto dok ne wach mar campaign miseyene ni ochako chon. Walter Nyambaga nigi mathoth.
Bang' tieko limbe mare Nyanza, orio limbe mare Yimbo mar Kenya, kama jatend piny William Ruto nyadichiel kendo odok ne okang' mare mar loso sirikal moting'o kweth makwedo sirikal, ne mano dhi miyo jo Kenya duto winjore ne gintiere sirikal ma okowe gi oko.
Just come from a trip in Nyanza. It is almost a miracle that the people who were on extreme sides a few months ago, today, we are speaking as though we are very long time brothers and sisters and friends. We close ranks as a people. We forge alliances as a people. We build bridges as Kenyans, and we work together for the greater good of our nation.
Ruto kalose county ma Bungoma, oko ne jok manosire ni lemo nitiere sirikal moromo, kendo biro pogo ne ji duto maonge akwede.
Nyinyi watu wa Bungoma, mnakubali mimi niunganishe Kenya yote ikuwe timu moja, timu ya taifa letu la Kenya?
Wewe umetuonyesha mkiwa na Papa wa Roma na Mheshimiwa Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga mambo ya umoja wa nchi yetu. Na watu wa Bungoma, watu wa Nyanza, watu wa Mlima Kenya, wale wote ni watu ambao wanataka sisi wote kama Wakenya tuishi kwa amani.
Sisi kama viongozi wa ODM tunakushukuru na tunasema uendelee na hiyo kazi na tutakaa na wewe na tukusupport.
Anaposhikanisha Kenya yetu iwe Kenya moja chini ya rais moja ndio tuweze kufanya maendeleo kwa kona zote za Kenya. Ukitengeneza kazi za vijana, hii Kandui unaipatia mingi sababu hii ndio constituency kubwa hapa Bungoma.
Ruto koni podo biro luorore ko bilo wach kod jopiny kamora mora. Kendo bende tich mare, to ko tijno mar dolo onge pogruok.
I am an evangelist. And many people sometimes wonder why I stand in raised places, sometimes on top of the car. Because when your orientation is an evangelist, you always behave like an evangelist, even when you are doing other things. And by the way, I have given a commitment that when I finish my tour of duty as president, I will go back to be an evangelist.
You did soul searching and came up with a solution that brought us back as a country. The broad government that you formed that included everybody. I was with you in Nyanza, Your Excellency. The excitement that we saw in Nyanza, our people in Western, tujipange pia. Lazima tujipange. Politics is about competition. I was there and I could not believe that was Nyanza that was all. Atandi is here now today.
We are on track, and we are on track to put Kenya together so that we can be able to move and be a better nation in this part of the world.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.